planet?
The Happy Planet Index measures how happy we are as a planet. How long are we going to last? How sustainable are we? We can measure this with our ecological footprint. How well are you treating Mother Earth? For this reason, GDP is not the best at measuring the standard of living. GDP does not properly value the things that matter to people, like social relations, health, or how they value to spend their free time.
Oh, hey there, Happy Planet. I was just wondering, what other factors need to be determined when considering a country's standard of living?
The dictionary defines standard of living as the necessities, comforts, and luxuries enjoyed or aspired to by an individual or group. This means that in addition to just the GDP, all these other factors should be taken into account as well.
So how's the Happy Planet Index calculated and what factors do it include?
The Happy Planet Index is measured by the wellness times the life expectancy times the inequalities of outcomes divided by the ecological footprint. Wellness is how satisfied the resident feels with life overall, rated from 1 to 10. Life expectancy is the number of years a person is expected to live in their country. Inequalities of outcomes are the inequalities between people within a country in terms of how they live, how happy they feel, based on the distribution in each country's life expectancy and well-being data, expressed as a percentage. The ecological footprint is the average impact each person makes on the environment. It's measured by global hectares per person, or GHA.
Hey Happy Planet! What are the advantages and disadvantages of the Happy Planet Index?
One main advantage of the HPI Index is that it takes into account every social and environmental aspect of life. One disadvantage is that there is not an HPI score for every country. And if it does have an HPI score, this may not accurately represent everyone inside the country since it is an average value of the country.
Oh, hey there, Happy Planet. We just have one more question for you. How effective is your index?
HPI is able to rank countries on how effectively a country can convert resources into human well-being. For example, the United States is ranked 108 out of 140 because the material wealth is not effectively being translated into well-being, compared to Mexico, which is ranked 2 out of 140 because its ecological footprint is a third of the size of the USA, despite the fact that Mexico has a much smaller economy.
Mother